Hello everyone, welcome back to the weekend market analysis. Today 26th April, Nifty ends this week at 24,039 and Bank Nifty at 54,664. Before proceeding to our this week analysis, as I said in my previous video, today we are going to analyze the long-term view for Nifty and Bank Nifty, simply what we can expect from Indian markets in the next 3 to 5 years. Okay, first we discuss that long-term analysis and we move to the important levels for next week, right? Fine. See this one, Nifty long-term view. I shared this on, I don't have date here. Okay, on 2nd November. Okay, in 2nd November 2024, I shared this post expecting the price to reach 30,350 to 33,000 levels in bigger wave 3. See the first line itself saying that we are in the bigger wave 3. The wave 3 itself has the potential to reach 30,000. So after third, we will have a fourth and we have a fifth, right? So that's the understanding. So now you got the bigger picture now. The third of 3 ended or price still not yet completed is 3 of 3 because the Bank Nifty yet to start its 3 of 3. We will discuss this in a while. Okay, so combining with Bank Nifty, some assumptions made. The current structure in both the cases wave 4, so the price can come lower after a good bounce or can form a consolidation for few weeks. This is what we expected in 2nd November itself. We are expecting it's a wave 4 and we are expecting a decline. So everything we analyzed on 2nd November with levels. This is one assumption, like wave 3 already ended here. The 3 of 3 ended or price still not yet completed the 3 of 3. So this is the 3 of 3 itself not completed. I having both the options to match the Bank Nifty, and all these are internal counts, but in bigger count the wave 3 should reach 30,350 to 32,000 or 33,000, right? See in both the analysis the target level not changed, only the internal counts. So we are expecting 30,350 to 33,000 in the bigger wave 3 itself. Because of last 6 months decline, the view has not yet changed. Okay, because we already expected this decline, and since it's a wave 4, see in both the case I'm expecting a wave 4. See already we expected 22,500 around, everything we are expected. Okay, so this is the basic approach now. Now let us come to the Bank Nifty, because the Bank Nifty yet to start its 3 of 3, right? See, all these analyses are based on 2nd November, but this Bank Nifty I shared on June 6, 2024, almost a year back. I think I shared this post on during an eventful day when the price was declined very fast. So anyway, see here, when Bank Nifty was trading around 49.50, weekly chart, not a convincing pattern, made some assumptions in line with the other indices because it's already lagging. If moves as anticipated, there is much more space in the banks and it can beat other indices, and it is invalid below 44,000. Till now the price not went below 44,000. This is the chart. Okay, see this I shared on 6th June, and right from here the price consolidate and lower and moved higher. See, this is what I am talking about. This is 3 of 3. Okay, in this 3 of 3 it can be 1, 2. I will explain with the chart. See, this is Nifty. We'll talk about Bank Nifty, right? This is the same chart and you can see the same levels. I not even change anything. 57,371. Okay, so the thing is, we're expecting a 3 of 3 to move, and as of now the price is moving higher. Even it made all-time high, and see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to match the Nifty to complete the fifth wave like this. This one, it is not quite acceptable because this is not proper wave 3. This 3 of 3 will not behave like this. There are a lot of highs and lows. Wave 3 mostly will not behave like this. So I'm going with the assumption of still 3 of 3 may proceed, and right now it is moving fast. So I'm okay with this viewpoint. See, if the price moves as per our this wave count, this minor wave 3 itself has the potential minimum to cross 57,400 to 57,900. Even it has the potential to reach 61,000, right? See, this is the expectation. The 3 of 3, okay, minor 3 and 4 and 5 may proceed to cross the trend line like this. Even you can mark the channel like this, okay. This is the channel you can mark for this wave count, okay. This can be the resistance, okay. Around this we need to see what the price does here, okay, and then we can decide. If the price wants to move higher, definitely this trend line and these levels should give up, okay. There's 57,900 to 57,400, and eventually the price will move higher to reach the uh, top channel, okay. This is what the expected price action, and for that this level will be much more important resistance. We need to see how the price reacts here. That's why I marked this zone 50 what is it, 57,900 to 57,400. This 57,400, as I said, it was predicted in the 6th June itself. Okay, this is the anticipation. Even in this wave count, much more potential, and even it reaches around 65,000 approximately, but we will see level by level. So the long term information, I not change any of my view count. See, in Nifty, see why I am saying this bigger wave 3 minimum it can reach 30,350 to 33,000, right? As I said here, bigger wave 3, okay, 30,350 to 33,000, and for that we need to check these levels like Banknifty, okay, how this for 57,400 to 57,900 is important. Likewise, this 27,800 to 27,300 is important. We need to see how the price reacts here. See, my general idea here is, if it is even, for safer side, if we conclude this is end of wave 3 of 3, this wave 5 of 3 has the potential to extend, and we can analyze that the Banknifty can run in wave 3 of 3, and Nifty can run in the wave 5 of 3, okay. At the end of the resistance or near topping zone, some intermarket divergence may develop, like, okay, Nifty completing the top first and Banknifty later. So these are some assumptions. So the analysis will be, there are higher chances that still the price can reach 30,000 in this wave itself. For that, the wave 5 should extend. Even there is a potential to reach 33,000 also. That's why that's range. So all this can be only wave 3, okay. So this is the expectation for the next 3 to 5 years in our Indian markets. Much more upside is pending in our Indian markets. This is what our analysis now, and for that the next important level can be 27,800 to 27,300, or else this can end here, okay. The alteration is wave 4 again, bigger wave 4, and this wave 5 will eventually cross all these levels. This wave 5 will extend much more higher points. So we can expect some resistance here, and if the price crosses in a subwave 3 here, then it can reach 30,350. That may conclude the wave 3 in this zone, and a wave 4 and a wave 5 to cross the 33,000 and much more highs. Anyway, I have a plan of including the long-term Nifty and Banknifty analysis at least 2 months once, so that we can in line with our previous analysis, right? I hope you understand the long-term view for Nifty and Banknifty. This is important zone, and Banknifty, this is important zone. Based on the reactions, we can alter the count for minor subways, but long-term count, still Nifty and Bank Nifty are in bigger wave 3 only, right? So this is the long-term Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. And if you want to understand these concepts, you need to learn the Elliottwave. According to me, Elliottwave is one of the advanced study. I even call it as market language. You can learn Elliottwave from Magic Fibs. I have a course, Waves Leads the Price. Once you learn the course, you understand no other indicator, right? Even everyone says that price is the ultimate thing. Yes, of course, but even for the price, Waves shows the path. Once you learn it, you will understand. There are a lot of examples to show how waves work. Okay, if you are continuously watching my video and you are following me in X, we have identified a lot of precise turning points, right? See, all these are examples. Even these targets and the price declines, and recently, see this one, even though the final, this exactly happened, to be frank, this exactly happened. No one gave this 21,975, and exactly 21,965 the price turned to 23,800. Okay, right from here to here. Then we expected resistance also. See, the thing is, we can identify only the support and resistance, then you can take a trade. Then based on the price action, then you can alter the count. Yes, of course, even though I not expected that final leg down, even 21,730 is the exact support we got. I think 21,740 or 750. All these levels are identified in first March itself. So you can think in advance, and you can anticipate certain levels so that you can have the positions accordingly, right? So always I say that Elliott is a forward-looking analysis. So you can understand what may happen in future. That is the relevant skill and the important skill for stock market trading. So all this you can understand from Elliottwave only, and even this, everyone says a head and shoulder and much more down target, and this is what happened, even the levels. Okay, this we analyzed on 11th January. See, that is what I am saying, 11th January, and the price is moved as per our expectation only, even the support, and now it is all-time high. No study can give this much precise understanding about the stock markets. If you follow the classical technical analysis, this we call it as head and shoulders, but it is not a proper head and shoulder. So this is what the analysis, and this is what the reality. Not only this, these are just samples. If you want more examples, you can check my profile in X. In highlights section, you can see I have marked few things, very few things like this. See, just now you see the same examples, and see how the price moved as per the, even the language. I said market language, right? So a lot of examples. These are new things, okay? And you can check in your free time. See everything, the price moved as per the expectation. Even this is option contract. I don't encourage to trade F&O, even more particularly options, but from examples, and see precise levels, right? All these are precise level analysis. And this one, yes, natural gas, this was identified in 2023. We expected the price to reach 1.430 in 2023 April. What happened? In 2024 July, it happened. 1.482, right? 1.430, 1.482. No study can give this kind of analysis. We expected these levels in 2023 itself. A bounce and down. A bounce and down. Okay, you can check a lot of examples I shared. Even this one, okay, we expected the price to reach 70. Okay, when it was trading around 85.6, expected to reach 70, and see what happened. This is where I shared. Okay, and 70, see here, the price is 98. Just calculate the percentage. See everything. Okay, you can check in your free time. See all available in our highlight section. This is very few. Even in highlight section also, I have shared only few identifications. So if you want to learn the market language, the purest form of Elliottwave study, you can register my course. See, this is my website, and learners across the world, and they have registered my Elliottwave course and shared their feedback personally. And even if you check, there are two courses. Okay, this is Elliottwave course. You can check the reviews provided by the learners, right? See, don't spend 50,000, 1 lakh. That is what I'm keep on sharing. Okay, don't spend much amount to learn the theory alone. This is 100% practical, and this course is validity is 1 year, and for that 1 year, I will share new video every month. Okay, see here, this is where the course completes. This is where the new learning start. The course has been released in the previous year 2024 April, and 443 almost 11 videos has been shared. Only 1 month I not able to share a video, new video. Right from this May, I will start sharing new videos in the course. So already you got the course for that price, and every month new learning is free. See, I am trying to give much more value to your money and time spent in this course. So if you wish to learn the Elliottwave, Magic Fibs is your right choice, and I give all the details in the description. And if you are new to the stock market and you don't know where to start your learning, this will be your right choice. Master the market through technical analysis. And see, this is the description of the course. You can study. See, step-by-step trading framework that builds absolute confidence, avoids memorizing patterns. See, my method is you want to understand the market, not memorize anything here. Okay, you need to understand. That's why I call that it's a language, right? You need to understand it, and multiple opportunities. See, usually in technical analysis course, you will learn only the breakouts and breakdown. Here also we have that breakout and breakdown trading methods, and additionally to that, we have a lot of trading setups. Like I have included 10 trading setups with a checklist for each and every method. I have given a checklist. So just follow the checklist. I have given the idea for screeners also. So combine them, take the stocks, analyze, and put the checklist. See, you cannot use the same indicator for all the type of trades, right? Learn the right indicator to trade the right setups. So different indicator for different setups. Detailed study and risk management. So these are the course modules you can check, right? Candlesticks patterns, reversal patterns, MACD, moving average, RSI. Okay, learn here. Uh, if you are new to the stock market and if you are not able to make consistent profits, you can start your learning from this course. And this price is I drastically reduced. Minimum the course value is more than 10K, as I said my launch video. I decided to fix the price approximately around 6,000, but as a launch offer or thought of giving much more value to the learners, I reduced the price to 3350 plus GST. And this price will be for definitely short term period, maybe this month. And the price will be increased to minimum 5,000 to 6,000. So use this opportunity to register this course and learn the technical analysis. And from here, after getting confidence and making profits, you can come to the Elliottwave. So these are the two courses, and don't spend 50,000 or 1 lakh in Elliottwave to learn only the theory. And I have no other additional sections, right? Level 1, level 2, level 3, nothing. You can learn everything from this course. And technical analysis, just only one level. If you wish, you can come to Elliottwave. So I don't want to teach only the part of the information and I want to make you to come to the next level. No, I don't have that idea. I have taught everything in the single courses. Right. So if you wish, you can register my course. I give all the details in the description. So now we move on to the our regular analysis. What we can expect Nifty, Banknifty, and Commodities for next week. Okay. So Nifty hourly chart, see this is the level we expected in the previous week, and we expected the price to stop or pause or decline, and as per the expectation the price start to decline, and this level is the minimum expectation, hope you remember, and I marked these levels approximately 23,800, and the price almost reached that level, very close to that level and bouncing now. See, this level is only minimum expectation, and primarily I expecting some sort of consolidation, a triangle, or even the price declines. It may come one more time below this 23,800, and we need to see the um, pattern, so we can expect 23,650 to 23,580, approximately these zones. Okay, this zone can be the expected support. Even the price comes lower, this can be the important support. See, the thing is, we expected resistance and price start to decline. So now these are the levels we expected as the minimum requirement. So the price has reached the minimum requirement. We don't know now this minimum requirement is sufficient or not. Please understand the context. So for price moving higher, the price needs to move above this high. Okay, because it seems like a complicated structure, or else this can be the first leg of correction. So it can move like this. So we need to wait and watch, and even if the price comes lower, this 23,580 to 23,650 is the support zone. So if the price gets support here, even in this point, the price has the potential to reach 24,750, 800 right from here. Okay, for that the price needs to take support. But the price takes support immediately from here and moves higher, but this is secondary option only, and this can be still in minor wave 3. This is not valid wave 4. Let us see. Okay, so this is the support range, and if the price takes support, the target can be approximately 24,750 to 800. So this is the view on Nifty, and yes, Bank Nifty. See, the price exactly reversed from our zone 55,900 to 56,230. See the high made, precise level, this zone, this is the resistance, and exactly the price faced resistance and reached the minimum requirement. I marked this gap zone as the minimum requirement to reach. The minimum requirement has been done, but if you see the Bank Nifty, it can be seen as a 3-wave and it can end the correction. That's why I asked you to wait. Okay, but in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, all are minimum requirements only. There is a possibility that still it can become a complex or A, B, C, and it can reach 53,700 to 53,900. So the support range for Bank Nifty is 53,700 to 53,900 if the price comes lower, and in Nifty it is 23,590 to 23,650. Right? And see, already I marked all these levels we discussed in the long term view also. 57,370, all these can be achievable in this particular wave itself if the price takes support here itself. For further up move, the minimum the price needs to cross is 55,550. 55,550, right from here or here. The price needs to cross that level for further high. So these are the ranges, supports and resistance for the coming week in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Right? So in commodities, crude oil, see the price as per expectation moving into the trend line. So for bullishness, the price needs to take support like this. Okay, like this, and it can take a leading diagonal, a drop, and start to move higher. This is the expected projected path. If the price changes its path, then definitely we need to think about other options. That means if the price comes lower. If the price moves like this, like 1, 2, 3, this marks the important turning point for crude oil. So we need to wait because we are in the process of initial wave. So if it is a leading diagonal, one more high and drop, then this would be the very good support or entry for big up move. We need to see how the price develops here. Okay, this is the view on crude oil and natural gas. See, I changed nothing. This line I marked couple of weeks before. I hope you remember. Okay, exactly the price taking support here. This is what I am saying, precise level of understanding. See, this is not only about the study, this is what the market itself behave. If you understand this concept, Elliottwave, you can use it for commodities, stock markets, currencies, cryptos. Okay, the thing is, there should be good volume. Okay, Elliottwave is based on mass psychology, so there should be good volume to analyze. Okay, that is the essential. Okay, coming to the natural gas. Here itself we decided that natural gas can reach $3 and the low made was, you can see, 2.9990. Whatever we expected is done. We expected 3 and you are seeing a low point of 2.999. This is what I called as precise level of analysis in Elliott waves. And now let us see. I think some sort of support can be expected and the price can reach 3.45. Okay, this high. For further bullishness, the price needs to move above this trend line, and also this trend line. Okay, for that we need to see how the price reacts here. So the initial expectation is the price can take some support and can reach 3.45. Then based on how it reacts here, then we can analyze further. Coming lower and start moving higher. So all these things we need to understand. Let us see first the price gets support and bounce. Right. So this is the analysis for natural gas. And this one silver, this is daily chart. Yes. Exactly taking support and moving higher, and in wave 5 we can expect 35.9 to 36.7 dollars in silver. And if you lower down the time frame, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, so all there is a possibility of this is the end of wave 3. So if the price comes down, this can be the important support approximately, and then the price may start moving higher. Okay, see last leg for this wave. So let us see, this can be the important support, right? Important support. The price is turning taking support exactly from here. See, few are not understanding the concept. This is the support. This is where I said the 27 to 28 is the important support zone for silver, and exactly right from here the price moved to even 33. Okay, now it can be 3 4 5 or all can be 3. So we need to watch this correction. If it is wave 4, the price can somewhat give a decline dip and move higher. Okay, all can be 1 2 3 4 5, and this 5 can reach your expected target. But if this level breaks, we can assume this as the wave 5. If the price declines here, we need to watch the pattern. That is what we need to do. What corrective patterns, and combined with the Fibs, you can take a call. So this is the view on silver. So possibly a decline and move higher, since in higher time frames there is a chance of 36 to 36.7 is possible in the silver. And in gold, see exactly the price reversed from our level. I posted video in Tuesday. Okay, from that day exactly the price started to decline with simple analysis of 1.618. I showed this in our previous video. Okay, the magic of fib numbers. See, the fib numbers, see, I have studied lot of things about fib numbers. When you combine with the waves, it works in a magical way. So now, as I said in my previous video in daily chart, we can expect 3600 650 is possible in gold. But at the same time, in smaller time frames, this can even decline right from here. As per expectation, the price started to decline, but we need to see the important support zone here. Okay, even the price declines, this is the important zone. Okay, these two levels. The price should take support here, then only we can expect the level to reach 3600. Okay, so some sort of consolidation may happen. See, this declines very fast. It can be only the first leg, or it can be A, B, C, and again 1 2 3 4 5 like this. It may happen, or some sort of consolidation may happen because it has a possibility of minor 4. So some consolidation or some pause may happen in the decline in this range itself. If the price declines, this is the support range. I hope you are clear in the analysis. If the price takes support, yes, in long term view 3600 is possible. But before that, by checking the long term view, some sort of consolidation may happen for coming weeks in the gold. Okay, some consolidation within the same range here itself, then the price may move higher. This is the expectation now. So let us see. So this is the analysis for coming week, Nifty, Bank Nifty and commodities. And as I said in each and every video, all these levels and opinions are only for learning purpose, to learn the Elliottwaves, to create interest in Elliottwaves, because Elliottwaves is the one of the advanced market study. So don't take it as any kind of trading recommendations. As I said detailed in this video, I have explained more about our course. So if you wish to register the course, I give all the details in the description. See, the reason for learning is you can become independent. When you combine the Elliottwaves and also the technical analysis, you can make wonders in stock markets, right? You're understanding it. When you combine these learnings and when we give our discipline in taking trades, we can achieve what we expected in the financial markets, right? Learn the markets and become independent. And as I said in one of my course, the capital is your money. No one will come to help you in stock market. All the analysis and taking calls, exiting, taking profits, taking losses, everything, you are the only person going to do. Instead of taking recommendation from others, once you learn these concepts, it will be helpful for your lifetime, because you are the only person going to do all these things in the stock market. And if you like my analysis and if you like my work, you can subscribe my channel and share it with your friends, traders, and your trading community. Trade safe. Capital protection is the most important thing in the stock market. Happy weekend. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Thank you.